I'm Jaylenis.
And today we are going to be testing out our neon acrylic paint that we just got.
So hot pink,
neon lime green,
neon cobalt,
neon cobalt. Watermelon.
this is not a neon, but it looks kind of neon. Satin jade and neon purple. And the color that I'm going to be using is the satin jade.
I'm going to be using the neon lime green.
And I'm gonna use the neon purple. And we bought this at Target, and the link where we bought this is gonna be down below.
Before you get on to the video, this side of the day goes to.
And all social media will be on the screen and linked in the description. So let's get slime making.
Okay, normal slime, how you do that? You have to teach me because I don't have
It's
glue
just
and
glue,
baking soda
and contact solution.
That's it?
Yeah,
Okay.
and paint.
So we already
Like that?
Yeah, that's enough.
We already opened these and poked a little hole in them. So
Next step, we have to put the color?
Yeah, because that's
Yeah.
all glue and paint and then them too.
So we're each gonna pour in our color at one time so you guys can see it.
I want mine to look like a gloop, like at Nickelodeon when they pour the slime gloop on you.
That's so
what I
cool.
want. That's what I want mine to look like. Okay, Allison, you can pour yours in first.
I told
Since Mommy's our special guest, she can do it first, actually.
I'm gonna be first. I can put how much I want.
Mom,
This is
hot.
Okay, relax.
This one's hard. Can you hold the bowl so I can squeeze it out?
There.
That's good.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my
So
satin. What is this? Satin jade.
Satin jade.
Now time to mix our colors in.
Oh my
gonna
god,
go
so cool. I love it.
So pretty.
Okay, I'm gonna add mine. I'm gonna mix mine in.
Oh, this is gonna be really pretty. Oh, that's so pretty.
God, it's so pretty.
Let me get it off.
My
the
mom's gonna
edge.
add some more because.
My mom and I are adding more because ours are too late.
Oh, it's so cool.
Oh, if I mix this green with a little bit of that blue, it could be a teal. It could be beautiful.
Oh my god, it's so pretty. It looks more like the color here than this does.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're gonna add our baking
Oh, look at
soda.
Coco on the table.
Let's put in our baking soda.
And then our contact solution.
Here you go.
How much?
A little bit will be fine.
Like this?
No, that
Is that a little bit?
For me it is.
That's a little bit.
Thank you.
You wanna be here with us?
Like, when is that? Can I eat it?
Is it my food that you guys are making or
Do you have to put
I
more?
don't eat that.
No, because now you have to add in your activator.
Your contact solution. Yeah,
That's good.
Oops, sorry.
it's forming already.
Oh look, it's coming out of the bowl already.
Okay, we're gonna
Mine's
put you on the floor. So
so
we don't
Yeah.
good. Mine's.
I'm gonna add some more baking soda.
I'm gonna add a
What do I
little
have
bit
to
more.
do?
Add
Yes.
more. Add more.
Add
More what?
More contact solution.
Contact solution?
I think I'm done. I think I can mix with my hand already.
Oh, it's hard.
If it's getting off your bowl like mine is, that means you're ready to play with your hand. Look at mine. Mine's already ready.
Mine's hard to mix.
I think it's the spoon.
Yeah, it's really thick.
It's really
Mine
big.
wasn't. I have the small bowl and the small spoon, and look how huge the spoons are.
Do you think I
bit
have to do
sticky.
something else?
Just gonna add some more because I'm pretty sure that looks like.
Wait.
Sticky?
Yeah, it looks sticky.
Can I use my hands already?
If you want, go
Yeah.
ahead and dig in.
Add a little bit of drops.
Oh my goodness.
My mom hates this part.
It's so sticky.
Want me to add some more?
I don't know. Woo. Can you put more contact solution, please?
Oh, mine feels good.
Thank you. So nice, your slime.
I'm gonna do some ASMR, so shh.
I don't know if you can see the color for the ring light, but
Watch.
Mine!
uy, se sigue cayendo.
Mine feels
Yeah,
like.
yours is ready. Oh, yours feels like a butter slime.
Yeah, so does mine.
Yours feels so good.
Thank
like a
you
butter
very
Mine
much.
feels like a butter slime.
Mine's
Let me feel yours.
cold.
Let me feel yours.
Ours are cold.
Oh, this one feels hard.
Let me feel yours, Emily.
Oh, this is hot, Mom.
Hot?
Hot.
Because I had hot hands. I love this color. But
The texture isn't that well.
that's mine.
No, of that.
No, that's mine. It's good. Oh, I make a ball. A ver, ¿cómo tú le haces así?
I'm gonna make a bubble.
Can I have mine back? Thank you.
Go ahead.
Ready? Wait, no.
Oh, no.
Oh. Wait, I'm gonna hear mine crunching, so people don't get it mixed up. I'm gonna go first with my crunching. Wait.
I'm gonna do my crunchy. You hear that? That's a really crunchy.
Okay. I'll do my crunchy.
That one was good, but you have been doing this for a while. This is like my third time. No?
If you want to watch more videos of my mom making slime, go check out Kaylee Candy Adventure, because she does slime with Kaylee's mom.
And the link is gonna be down below, like always.
Ooh, that one was good.
Don't do anything. Oh, that was good.
Let me try to be quickly with you. Yours
gonna-
is so hot.
Look, mine's bouncy. Kind of.
Okay. Whose do you think is the best out of everybody's?
Mine.
Except
That?
yours.
Yeah.
Really?
And the color.
So, bye guys. Hope you guys enjoyed us making neon slimes in super pastel colors and super cute colors. And yeah,
I have a necklace.
they all feel like butter slime. Comment down below which color you guys think is the cutest. And,
Comment down below if you follow Coco on Instagram, Coco_sister forever.
And if you follow,
I love
and
it.
go make... Ow! Ow! Ow!
Coco,
No.
she's your sister, behave. Comment down below the mom emoji if you pick mine.
There's not a mom emoji.
A blonde lady by herself in the emoji section.
Oh no! Comment down below the girl with the purple shirt for my mom's slime.
And comment down below
A green heart emoji for Emily.
it's a teal. I mixed the lime green with the jade blue.
So yeah, comment down below the artist, the girl with the purple shirt, or the
Heart eyes emoji.
heart eyes emoji for Emily. So see what color you guys
I
get.
love mine. So good. It's a baby in the house. Cokie, are you happy now that we finished?
Look at my color. Super pretty. Okay, this is my mom's color. So it's purple. Bye guys. See you guys another time.
What?